Hi there. In this video, we're going to be talking about 7 faceless YouTube niches that you can use to make money on the platform. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel but aren't sure what to focus on, these niches could be a great place to start. Niche number 1, gaming. Gaming is a huge niche on YouTube, and there are many different ways to make money within it. You could stream yourself playing popular games, create video game reviews or walkthroughs, or even make videos about gaming news and trends. Niche number 2, DIY and home improvement. DIY and home improvement are also popular niches on YouTube. Whether you're a skilled handyman or just have a knack for fixing things around the house, there are plenty of people looking for tips and tricks on YouTube. You could make videos on home repair and home decor, or even just share your own personal projects and renovations. Niche number 3, beauty and fashion. If you have a passion for beauty and fashion, starting a YouTube channel in this niche could be a great way to share your ideas and make money. You could make makeup tutorials, style videos, or even just share your own fashion finds and favorites. Niche number 4, food and cooking. Food and cooking are also popular niches on YouTube, and there are many different ways to make money within them. You could make cooking tutorials, recipe videos, or even just share your own personal cooking adventures. Niche number 5, fitness and health. Fitness and health are important to many people, and there are plenty of YouTube channels dedicated to these topics. You could make workout videos, share healthy recipes and meal prep ideas, or even just offer tips and advice on living a healthy lifestyle. Niche number 6, travel. If you love to travel, starting a YouTube channel in the travel niche could be a great way to share your adventures and make money. You could make travel vlogs, city guides, or even just share your own personal travel experience. Niche number 7, personal development. Personal development is a growing niche on YouTube, and many people are looking for inspiration on topics like productivity, goal setting, and self-improvement. If you have a passion for helping others grow and develop, starting a YouTube channel in this niche could be a great way to make money and make a difference. These are just a few of the many faceless YouTube niches that you can use to make money on the platform. If you're considering starting a YouTube channel, take some time to think about what you're passionate about and what you have to offer. With a little hard work and dedication, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business on YouTube. Thanks for watching.